Air pollution is a life-threatening problem in the Philippines, especially in Metro Manila. Air pollution means any alteration of the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the atmospheric air, or any discharge of any liquid, gaseous, or solid substances that will likely to create the air resources of the country harmful, detrimental, or injurious to public health, safety, and welfare, which will adversely affect their utilization for domestic, commercial, industrial, agricultural, recreational, or other legitimate purposes. And this is according to the Clean Air Act of 1999. Republic Act 8749, now known as the Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999, was approved by the then President Joseph Ejercito Estrada on June 23, 1999. The act provides for a comprehensive air pollution control policy and for other purposes, such as the filing of an administrative action against violators of the standards or limitations set by the act or any order, rule, or regulation issued by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources regarding such standard or limitation, as well as the imposition of fines and penalties. The 7th Chapter Act contains provisions for basic air quality policies, air quality management, air pollution clearances, and permits for stationary sources and pollution standards for the three main sources of air pollutants, such as stationary sources, motor vehicles, and other sources. Air pollutants are any substances in air that could harm humans, animals, vegetation, or materials when they occur in sufficient concentration. The pollutants, which may be solid particles, liquid droplets, and/or gases, are generally grouped into two major types. 1. Primary pollutants, which are emitted directly from sources, and 2. Secondary pollutants, which are produced in the air by an interaction between two or more primary pollutants with or without sunlight. In the Philippines, the sources of air pollution are of three kinds. First, mobile sources consisting of transports, such as buses, cars, and motorcycles. Second, stationary sources comprising industries and power plants. And third, area sources like road dust, construction, and burning. As suggested by the DENR, here are some ways of reducing air pollution. For vehicle owners and motorists, first, maintain your vehicle engine regularly. Second, clean the air filter regularly. Third, make sure the engine capacity is suited to the size of the vehicle. Fourth, observe proper driving habits. 5. Travel only at speeds set by traffic regulations and suitable to road conditions. 6. Avoid leaving your engine idling. 7. Plan your trips well and save on fuel. 8. Don't overload. 9. Keep tires properly inflated. And 10. Make sure the exhaust pipes are well maintained. And for commuters and office workers, 1. Take the bus or patronize the mass railway transit whenever you can. 2. Use company vehicles wisely and make sure they are well maintained. 3. Use natural lighting during the daytime. Make sure that lights use energy efficient. 4. Try talking to the jeepney, bus, or tricycle driver about the benefits of proper vehicle maintenance, as well as the high health risks of air pollution and improper driving practices. And for homeowners and homemakers, 1. Use low-watt bulbs or energy-saving lights. 2. Limit the use of air conditioning units and keep the temperature a few degrees higher. 3. Don't burn your garbage. 4. Work with residential associations to stop the burning of garbage in your neighborhood. 5. Avoid using aerosols. And 6. Dispose of refrigerants, refrigeration equipment, and use coolants properly. And for everyone, as much as possible, walk or ride your bicycle instead of taking motorized transport. 2. Report smoke vultures to the MMDA, LTO, and other appropriate local government units and organizations. 3. Spread the word about the ban or smoking in public places. And last but not the least, talk to people on what they can do about stopping of air pollution. And that's it for preventing air pollution. Now, on to the next one.